Hello guys. Oh, today we're going to get everyone. As you can see, it's my drone. This is the controller, and the thing is fully charged. Yes, you can see the light here. It's flashing. Over here it's flashing. As you can show you.
Come on, have this chocolate Kanna.
Now go get some chocolates. Little, okay?
I don't want these chocolates.
So let's just
I don't
have a
want these
showpiece.
chocolates, Kanna. Give me your rectangle chocolates. Please.
Oh, maybe she's having some chocolates.
What are you asking in the mobile?
And now here's the drone.
Please, I need two rectangle chocolates.
Wait, I'm recording a video.
Okay.
Okay.
Take a video, then finish it.
As you can see, and I'm gonna be recording this on the ground. Okay. Got up, up, up. Okay. Look at this. Oh no, easy. Easy. Oh my, stuck up there. You need to get it down. Oh no, you need to do an emergency landing. Oh no. I did the emergency landing with me. Thank you.
Hanna haven't got very flight, Hanna.
I have to hold the mobile now.
Yeah, but
Can you
have
help
it
me?
very
Can you
high.
hold this mobile?
Okay.
Record me.
Okay.
Okay. I got it down. Okay. So I can control it.
Oh my goodness.
No, dude, this thing up in record up. Show the camera. This.
Oh,
Okay.
Anna.
Turn down.
Oh,
Thank you. Gayatri, you should put, here's the camera, so you should show it to the camera. Hold the mobile tightly, please. Thank
Okay.
you. Like this. Oh.
Show my stick.
And when this goes from here to there, no, you should move the camera like from here to there. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Now we are supposed to be doing a mission, and this mission is to be flying all the way to Russia.
Russia, why?
Okay. Okay. And where is Russia? Oh.
Russia.
Oh, and now I need to fly back to India, because now they had the discussion,
Why?
and Gayatri, you're supposed to be recording the flight.
Yeah.
Record it.
Record it? Okay.
Okay.
I'll hold it tight.
3, 2, 1.
Hey!
It's coming! It's coming! It's coming! Woo! Chill. It's down on the ground.
Why is become down to the ground?
Oh, like that.
Now go to there. Record it.
And now our next mission is to let it go up and down. blurry. Ah! I can't get down. Ah! That is control. Uh-oh! Broken. It's going down. Whoa, finally.
Stop. I said,
Guys.
Mama. And then get because I'm walking.
And I know the footage is a little blurry, but
Uh-oh.
you just have to.
And after we finish this game,
Oh, whatever. Wait. I'm recording.
Okay, we go fast. And I don't land on my head.
Record the plane.
Yeah, don't.
Please.
But don't
No.
record in my head.
Aim it plane like this. Hold it. My God. Yeah. Oh, stand here. Oh. Stand here.
Wait, blinking, Anna.
Okay, 3, 2.
And don't make the aeroplane line on my head, okay?
Wait, go up. You're not shooting here.
Oh no.
Oh no, it crashed. We need to take it to the repair station. And it's not exactly a repair station. This is just.
I need this, Anna, please. I need this.
Just a place where I have to.
I need
Hey, I'm about to take it. Please, Gayatri, stop it. Now, as I was saying, we need to repair it because it got crashed.
First.
And also shout out to Yakub for helping me in my YouTube career. You should also check out his channel, but I don't exactly remember what his channel is. And so everybody, goodbye guys. See you next time.
Oh, sorry.
And
Sorry, Anna. Sorry, everybody.
please subscribe and like if you want more videos. Bye.